As soon as I sent message on WhatsApp saying, hey, I want to do BTech from your university, and within a second the AI assistant replies like this. Now think about what's happening here. The AI assistant is not just answering question, it's acting like an experienced admission counselor. And after this, once I send the next message as asking about the eligibility criteria for BTech, it respond and share me the eligibility details. After that, I want to know more about fee structure. Immediately, it sends me the details about fees also. Now imagine hundreds of students sending admission inquiries every day. So instead of having a support executive available 24/7, businesses can use AI chatbots to instantly respond to customer inquiries, answer questions, and provide personalized assistance. Whether it's a student asking about admissions, a customer asking about product, or a prospect looking for your services, the AI chatbot can handle conversations automatically. And that's exactly what we are going to see today in this tutorial. I want you to know that only for the testing purpose, I have created a WhatsApp AI assistant for the educational universities, but whether you run a real estate, service-based, or any other business, you can customize the same AI assistant for that too. The logic will be the same. Now, before we build this AI assistant, let's understand why businesses are rapidly adopting AI-powered customer support on WhatsApp. Think about the number of messages a business receives every day. A customer asks about services, pricing, eligibility, business hours, or the product. Most of these questions are repetitive. Your team ends up answering the same question again and again. This not just only consumes valuable time, but it also increases the chances of delayed responses and missed opportunities. This is where AI Assistant completely changed the game. So instead of relying on manual responses, businesses can automate customer conversation using AI. The AI Assistant can instantly understand customer questions and provide accurate response based on the business knowledge it has been trained on. Inside Pabbly Chatflow, you will find the dedicated AI assistant feature that allows you to create intelligent WhatsApp AI assistant without writing a single line of code. So if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get a heavy discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is one of the best tools that I have ever used. With the help of this, you can create a WhatsApp chatbot, AI assistant, broadcasting, and many more. So grab this offer as soon as possible. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features. You just have to come in this AI assistant feature, and this AI assistant page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. For creating a new AI assistant, you just have to click on this plus add AI assistant button and give your AI assistant a descriptive name. After that, you just have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. I have already created some AI assistant before, so I'm directly going in this one. See, this is the starting point of doing the setup of AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I have selected it as an AI agent. As soon as you can select the instructions type from here, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also customize these rules if you want to. After that, the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I have set it the temperature as 0.5. You can also increase or decrease it from here. After that, the model provider that I have selected as OpenAI. Now, after selecting the model provider, we need to select the model. Once you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of GPT model. I am selecting the GPT model as GPT-4o mini. Next one, it is asking you for the API key. So for getting this API key, you just have to go towards your OpenAI platform and click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Next, select the project from here, provide the permission and click on this create secret key button. And this is how easily you can get your API key. For generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. You just have to simply copy this key from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the API key, you have to click on this connect button. Now the next are AI assistant settings with multiple options. If you want to add any header message, then you can enable this toggle and enter it in this field. If you want to add any footer message, then you can enter it here. After that, the stop keywords. The stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, you have entered any keyword in this field and the user will send exact keyword while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. So this is how stop keywords work. I'm not adding any stop keywords too. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. Next one is the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your user for the better conversation. After that, the knowledge source. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow. Here you just have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. As I told you earlier, in this tutorial I have created a AI assistant for university counselor support. So for that I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. You have to make sure that it contains all the information related to your business. You can create a knowledge base file by using Google Docs or any other applications too, by the help of which you can create a PDF or a text format, because only PDF and text formats are allowed, and the size of your file should be less than 90 MB. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. For uploading a knowledge base file, you just have to click on this option, click on this add new file and select the file from your gallery. I have already uploaded one. Moving forward to the assistant interface, here you can give design to your assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I have entered the heading as Smart AI Assistant, and you can see as soon as I entered anything in this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. After that, I have added the subheading, initial message, label, footer text, footer link, and the user first message too. You can change the content completely based on your own requirements. My objective is only to teach you how you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now the next one is styling. Here you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, you just have to make sure that to enable this toggle so that your AI assistant will become active, and click on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. And the another button is embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites too. Means not only here, you can access your AI assistant anywhere. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing this amazing setup set up, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant based on your own business as well. You just have to change the knowledge base file from here. So if you are also thinking to automate your business on WhatsApp, then the Pabbly Chatflow is what you need. So go and try this amazing feature for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.